Dear President, dear Janez, dear friends of SDS. On behalf of the European People's Party, I would like to extend my best wishes to you, President Janša, and all the members of SDS on the occasion of your party congress. This is not only a moment to reflect on your plenty achievements, even while in opposition. It is a time to look confidently towards the future. We deeply value the strong and enduring partnership between SDS and the EPP family. Your commitment to our shared values, freedom, democracy and rule of law, continues to strengthen our common mission across Europe. President Janša, dear Janez, your leadership and experience are also vital to our EPP family on European level. And also Romana Tomc, on your most impactful member in the European Parliament, is a major asset of the EPP Group presidency, showing the strong role of SDS that you play in our political family. We are proud to stand alongside SDS as you continue to serve the people of Slovenia with vision and determination. We wish you every success as you shape the path towards next parliamentary elections, which are fast approaching. Together, we are stronger. Together, we build the Europe of tomorrow. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best for the Congress and for the upcoming elections.